morning student. Have a nice day. I am your computer teacher Rinaman. In this video we will learn HTML basic. If in this chapter we have to learn how to create the web pages in HTML. Okay, so let's start children. HTML basic. This is a programming language. In this language we will learn how to create the web pages. So let's start it. We have started with some points. Okay, my points are: what about internet, importance of HTML, what is HTML, HTML tag and structure of HTML tag. So now started. My first point is, what is internet? The internet is the largest network in the world connecting millions of people worldwide. Okay, the internet largest information base and has become a important part in our life. Okay, using internet we can share data and information across the global instantly. Means in the internet we have to sending and receiving anything instantly. Okay, now we have to discuss importance of HTML. HTML is the most widely used language to design the web contents of the internet. Means with the help of HTML we have to create the web pages for the internet. By learning the HTML you will be able to create the web pages that which contains then become part of the internet. Means with the help of HTML programming language we will create the web pages for the internet. My next point is, what is HTML? So first of all children, HTML is a programming language. It is created web pages for the internet. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so this is a programming language. It is created web pages for the internet. So now discuss, it is computer language used to create web contents documents which contains information in the form of text and images called web pages. Means in the web page we have to discuss how to display and what to display. Now you can add the link to your web pages. Every web pages on the internet written by using the HTML coding. With the help of HTML coding we will decide the how to display our web pages on the internet. So now next topic is HTML tag. So first of all, HTML is a tag based language. What about tag? A tag is a piece of code which acts a label that web browser interpret. Means we have to, with the help of tag we have to create the elements. It interacts a web browser what to display and how to display. So tag is main basic things in our HTML programming. Okay, so now we have to discuss a complete tag is a having opening and closing both of tag, having this they all are having known as elements. Means opening and closing both of tag is complete tag. This is the elements. Okay, now we will discuss, we use various attributes in the tag that contains additional information like formatting effects, elements and colors. We will discuss how to display our web pages attractive and very beautiful. Now we will discuss hypertext. What about the hypertext children? Hypertext is the tags used to link various web pages. It is the web pages. It is the text on a web page, clicking on which open a new page one by one. All pages hyperlink with the hypertext. Okay, link with the hypertext. Next is a markup. What means the markup? It means highlighting the text either by underlining or displaying it is different colors or both. Means any highlighting words displaying underline with underline, that is markup. Next point is language. What about the language? It is refers to the mode of communication between web pages. Means HTML has its own syntax and rules. So that is the hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language means HTML programming language. And next is a HTML tags. Mainly in HTML tags we have to know two types of tags: container tags and empty tags. So first is container tag. In container tag, opening and closing both of tags required, and empty tag only required opening tag. Just required only opening tag. Both of tag mix up of make one practical HTML practical. So now discuss what about container tag. Container tag needed opening and closing both of tag. This tag tell the browser when to end command and when to end it. Begin and end. Both of telling with the browser with the help of container tag. From for example, HTML started and /HTML closes this program. Next is empty tag. You know everyone, empty tag are made up of just opening tag, not required the closing tag. The three common tags are there: BR tag, P tag and HR tag. That all are empty tag. It is not required the closing tag. It is required only opening tag. Okay. Now next is, this is a basic structure of HTML programming. In this structure we will see first section is header section. In this section HTML header title, and next section is body section. The body section is the main contents of the HTML documents is written here along with the attribute which enhance appearance of the web page. If we have to write any paragraph, story and create the table, hyperlinks, all things we have to set in the body tag. This is the main body tag. This is the main points of HTML title. Okay. Means body is the main contents of HTML programming. So now we have to discuss HTML tag. So HTML tag is a beginner tag that is started from HTML, then end is the /HTML with the end of /HTML tag. Each document is considered a single page. Everything is written within in this tag. We have to write everything inside the HTML tag. We will start the program with the help of HTML tag. Now next is a heading. Head is the first element contained inside the HTML elements. It contains no text within itself. This tag is used to indicate the header section of your HTML page. Means HTML document which typically include the title tag and is not displayed in the main browser window of the HTML programming. Next is student title. Title indicates the title of the web page, HTML page. The title is display of the upper left corner of your browser when you view a web page. When you open the web pages, we have to see upper left corner whatever title in HTML page. Okay. So now next is a body tag. Body tag is a main tag in the HTML practical HTML programming, because in this tag we will suggest the background color of the web page. We will discuss the paragraph. We will write any story, any poem, anything inside. Display on the web browser. We will decide in and we will write in body tag. So body tag is a main important tag in HTML tag, because this tag is display all things is there. Okay, so now children, in my next video we will start programming in HTML. Thank you to everybody.